This video is going to help you learn the basic bachata step for ladies. Let's begin. We are going to start with our right foot and step to the side. Right, then bring the left together and put your weight on it. Then step again to the side with your right and bring the left foot, but this time don't put your weight on it like this. Just tap it. Tap. Again. Right foot first. Right, left, right, tap. Again. Right, left, right, tap. Last time. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is half a step. Now let's do the other half. We're gonna step this time with our left foot to the side. Then bring the right together and put your weight on it. Then again to the side with your left. And this time just tap with your right. Again. Start with your left, left, right, left, tap. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's do the full step. Start with your right, right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, tap. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,